Alright, we are ready to do some areas of trapezoids, rhombi, and kites. And today you will find the area of a trapezoid, a rhombi, and a kite. Excuse me, here we go. First thing, let's talk about some trapezoids. Okay, so don't forget, trapezoids, we have two bases, like a top and a bottom, side bases, whatever. They're the parallel sides. And then the line, there's a perpendicular line that will connect those two parallel sides. Either that line is drawn on the outside or it's drawn on the inside, but that line will be called the height. And the area of a trapezoid is 1/2 of the height times the two bases, the sum of the two bases. Simple, right? It should be, so let's do a quick easy one. So here we go. I'll give you, like, say 30 centimeters and say basically find the area. All you gotta do is plug in the numbers, press enter, type it into the calculator, press enter, and you get the answer. This should be, by the way, centimeters squared, since we should have the whole centimeters. Whether or not I will take off for that, we'll see. Okay, now, how do I make that more difficult? Because you know I'm going to. Well, here's an example to make it more difficult. Here I don't give you the two bases. I now know that I got the area of 1/2 of 4, which is the height, times one of the bases, which is 10, but I need the other base. So how do I find that? Well, if I kind of subdivide this a little bit, then I've got, if you see here, I've got a 90-degree triangle at the side here, which means that can become, I could use a squared plus b squared equals c squared to find this distance right here. If I find that distance, I can subtract it from 10 to find x. So all I've done is right here is apply the Pythagorean theorem. And we are going to put here a squared is equal to 56.25. Take the square root of that and you get a is equal to 7.5. So if that's 7.5, then if I subtract 10 by that 7.5, I will find out that the x, the little part, is 2.5, which is what the top base would have to be. So now I can say 2.5 plus 10 times 4 times 1/2 and get 25 inches squared. And again, how often you'll see something like that, we'll see. I don't know. Okay, so rhombi and kite. Okay, so with rhombi and kite, we know what they are, but the thing is that there's these diagonals. That's what's important. So we're going to say there's diagonals 1 and diagonals 2, and the area for both a rhombi and a kite is the same thing. It's 1/2 the diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. In other words, multiply the two diagonals, then by 1/2, and you've got the area. For example, okay, so here's two examples here. First one is easy. All you got to do is 1/2 times 8 times 15, and you get 60 meters squared. The second one, okay, oh, I'm going to put 10 and 12, but wait a minute, that's not right. Look at that. That 10 and that 12 is only for half of the diagonal. It's not the whole diagonal. So that means that's 10 and 10, which is 20, 12 and 12, which is 24. So the length of the diagonals completely is 20 and 24, and then I can multiply to get 240 feet squared. So make sure you're paying attention to the distance. What are they giving you? Okay, don't get too caught up. Notice how on the 8 and the 15, on the first example, they show you a line that goes all the way across, whereas on the second one, they show you some congruency marks. All right, so what's the way I can make this most difficult? Well, I could give you an area and tell you to find one of the other pieces, one of the missing pieces. In this example, I want you to find, let's say, one of the diagonals. So I know that 1/2 times the 22 times another diagonal would give me 92. So I can, like right here, I can go a lot of different ways. I could take half of the 22 and then divide that into the 92. And that's probably going to be the easiest way, even if you get a decimal. In this case, I should get about 8.4 inches and kind of go from there. If you have more questions on that, you feel free to ask me about that again, and we'll kind of see what we can do from that. Anyways, you know what? I think we should have a bonus word for today. So why don't we go with orange? Make that your bonus word for today, because we should always forever be orange. Forever orange. Anyways, so your bonus word for today is orange. That is it for today. Short and easy. Thank you so much for your time. Y'all take care.